Matters education, and as hundreds of thousands of KCPE candidates celebrated their good performance yesterday, another 9,700 candidates had nothing to be happy about. Well, they missed the examination for one reason or the other, but their case is not closed yet. According to State House spokesperson Manoa Esipisu, President Uhuru Kenyatta has ordered the Education Ministry to administer a special supplementary examination to pupils who did not sit for the examination due to compassionate reasons.
So these special examinations would be undertaken by students who may be ill, those who lose their parents, who have lost their parents during that period, or to students who may give birth during the course of the normal national examinations calendar. It's foreseen that these students can sit special supplementary exams that will be prepared for a period slightly outside of the normal exams calendar. As you know, this is a practice around the world. We've been lagging behind that, and I think it's time to bridge that gap.